Ban pau jing persa alor ke jingja sa thombor ki jaj bin reo jong jela Tripura kabla jah ka arpulai tarik unailar mentakas nam arjar kan reo akanong ba jong kanehi ke jela ha Agartala hadin belami ka huri urah pedang ki trash nong bat ki bar jela ha kalai tarik menta unailor ki jaj bin reo jong ka jela Tripura ki basang masa ha kani ke jela kumjo ki bawan trai bat pule kila pelong da ke jingai pat ba ha kani nong ba Shillong bat ra ru da ki mombeti Yagan ke jingat pajba la pelong dekat Tripura Indigenous Peoples of Shillong hakabadak spangon ke jai bin reu jong ke jela Tripura kelai simenta bala kersandu dak wei pat jai bin reu dak bai simenta lang hakani ke jingat pajba ke jai bin reu Tripura ke bala yai pajba hakani kasni kilara ru dak plakat ke badan ke jing tho ki ba penramjor ya ke jingja haka arpulai trek unailar menta kasnam ha Agartala hakabala mi ke jing huri ura hadin ba ke Indigenous People Front of Tripura Kalarak he kasni ke beratep kum ke Tripura Land Statehood Demand Day. Henry kebala mi pan kajing penibor na ki barjela ki bawansa hakanika jela Tripura.
On behalf of the 23rd rally that happened in Agartala, on the reference of that, we want the Home Ministry to straightly intervene himself or either by CBI inquiry on that matter. We, the Tripura indigenous people of Shillong, we organized a rally on behalf of all Triprasa whoever is residing in Shillong. For the incident that happened on 23rd at Agartala, we just want that justice should be served to on behalf of the victims, and compensation and relief fund has not been given by the central government or either the state government so far. Yeah, we have just written the memorandum, and so many political parties they have also submitted a memorandum to the central government. So far, no response has been come from their side. According to for the CBI, we want the central CBI for the inquiry and not the state magistrate. The problem that we as a Tripuri we are facing today is not only our problem. As soon the problem will be in entire northeast, and this the immigrants of Bangladesh flying over to the northeastern states, and the influx of Bangladeshi. We just want to demand the central government to put a strict investigation on this matter. Our next step will be the justice should be served to every victims that are victimized in the rally or that occurred on 23rd. And the main thing is the main motive of our rally is also the secure and the safety of all the Tripura indigenous people, and even in our own motherland Tripura also. Autonomous District Council has been given to the tribal areas as well, but we want a different Tripura land for only the indigenous people of Tripura. We don't want to break, but the rules and regulations should be, and the central should look upon only for Tripura land differently, not with the Bengali immigrants. We should be given equal powers and our objectives should be given the rightful status like that.